Hi, I'm Tobias with the Tobias team here at Nova Home Loans, and I want to speak to you today about short sales, foreclosures, and bankruptcies. I get that question a lot, and I think it's important that we talk about it. The difference between a short sale and a foreclosure, obviously, is that a short sale, you're going to sell short of what you owe on the property. The lender that owns that note to your home, you make those payments to, has to approve it. They have to allow for you to sell it short, and they basically take the loss on the difference. Short sales are typically not quite as hard on your credit, assuming you only miss a few payments, versus a foreclosure. You stop making payments, that bank may not foreclose for a year. You could have 12 months of delinquent payments, and it's continuously tearing down your credit scores. So it's going to be a lot harder on your scores than a short sale. On a short sale, you can actually even go late 30, 60 days, stop the bleeding, you close, your scores get dinged a little bit, you move on. On a foreclosure, it's just going to continually tear it down. So that's one of the benefits of doing a short sale versus a foreclosure. The next benefit is that on a short sale, you can buy more quickly than you can on a foreclosure. On a foreclosure, you're typically going to have to wait a complete minimum of 3 years for FHA financing, which is the most dominant type of program right now, or 2 years for VA financing. There's not as many eligible veterans versus FHA, which is a little more prominent of a program right now, but you're going to have to wait 3 years. For conventional financing, you need to wait 5 to 7, so it's quite a bit longer wait. On a short sale, you can close in as little as 2 years for conventional financing if you put 20% down, or FHA financing if you've had no lates. Now, if you can get your lender, who is the seller of your home, who actually owns your note, to agree to let you sell that home with no lates, you can theoretically buy again right away with an FHA mortgage. So that's the great part about it. So if you can not be delinquent on a short sale, that's key. A lot of banks are not going to let you not be delinquent, but I've seen it. We just closed one 30 days ago. It's happening. The banks are starting to get a little bit more used to short sales. So if I were you, I would definitely try the short sale. I'd speak to a real estate attorney and your trusted agents, make sure you're doing the right thing. But overall, short selling is going to be better for you, your credit, and it's going to allow you to buy sooner than a foreclosure. If you have any more questions whatsoever, please contact me or my team here at Nova Home Loans. We'd love to help you and provide our opinions and advice. Thanks so much.